Welcome to this tutorial on why use Debank Portfolio Overview. Debank is a popular platform for tracking and managing cryptocurrency portfolios. And its Portfolio Overview feature is a powerful tool for investors. To start, let's define what a portfolio overview is. A portfolio overview is a centralized dashboard that displays all your cryptocurrency holdings, including their current value, balance, and performance. Debank's Portfolio Overview takes this concept to the next level by providing a comprehensive and detailed view of your entire cryptocurrency portfolio. Using Debank's Portfolio Overview has several benefits. Firstly, it allows you to track your portfolio's performance in real time, giving you a clear picture of your gains and losses. This information is crucial for making informed investment decisions and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Another key benefit of Debank's Portfolio Overview is its ability to track multiple wallets and exchanges in one place. This means you can easily monitor all your cryptocurrency holdings, regardless of where they are stored, and get a complete picture of your overall portfolio. Debank's Portfolio Overview also provides detailed analytics and insights, including revenue and expense tracking, profit and loss calculations, and asset allocation analysis. These features help you optimize your portfolio and make data-driven decisions to maximize your returns. In addition to its analytical capabilities, Debank's Portfolio Overview is also highly customizable. You can personalize your dashboard to display the information that matters most to you, and set up alerts and notifications to keep you informed of market movements and portfolio changes. To get the most out of Debank's Portfolio Overview, it's essential to set it up correctly. Start by connecting your wallets and exchanges to Debank. Then configure your dashboard to display the information you need. You can also set up alerts and notifications to keep you informed of market movements and portfolio changes. In conclusion, Debank's Portfolio Overview is a powerful tool for cryptocurrency investors. Its ability to track multiple wallets and exchanges, provide detailed analytics and insights, and offer customization options make it an essential component of any investment strategy. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can unlock the full potential of Debank's Portfolio Overview and take your cryptocurrency investing to the next level.